Hey guys, happy weekend. So I don't know how YouTubers do this. My hand is already in pain. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to just put you up there. Hi.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
So today I actually wanted to kind of start the series on my channel of doing outfits of the week like I used to, just vlogging what I'm doing and like what I'm wearing, because I thought they were super fun. But since I'm not actually doing that much stuff because we're still in a pandemic, I figured I can put a twist to it and make it more fun by getting dressed like inspired by my style icons. And oh my god, okay, so I'm really excited because this week I'm doing Maddie from Euphoria, aka Alexa Demi, aka my literal style icon. Like, I don't think she's ever worn an outfit that I don't like. She doesn't disappoint and she literally rocks in everything. So I'm really excited. And I also actually have a Euphoria themed birthday party to go to at the end of this week. So it's the perfect kind of time to do this. And I'm super excited. I know it's gonna be a really fun video. So yeah, let's do this. Today is probably a bad day to start this off because I don't actually know what I'm wearing today. I have a few of the outfits planned according to what I'm gonna do throughout the week. Except today, I really have no clue what I'm gonna wear today. I'm just gonna go for a quick dinner with my friend and then I'm gonna meet some other friends and they're gonna come over for a sleepover. So it's technically pretty chill, but it's still the weekend, so I just wanna have fun and look cute. So, okay, wait. Where's my phone? Oh, so I kind of just want to go with pants and a crop top like this picture, but I know this is the only outfit I feel like I don't like. Let's see. Oh my god, that looks so cool. I got rainbow lights. I don't think you can tell on camera, but they're really pretty. They look like the northern lights or something. It's super cool. You'll have seen this. I have this sweater. It's really similar to the one she wore in this outfit. And I actually saw a matching skirt to this, but I didn't buy it because realistically I wasn't gonna wear an orange set anywhere, but the outfit she wore was super similar and now I wish I had because that would be perfect. But I'm just gonna make this work. I think, I don't know, let's see. Maybe leather pants. Is that Alexa Demi-ish? I just put something together. It's not the best outfit to start this video off.
What are you, the Unabomber? What are you, a dominatrix?
But it worked. You see it? Do you see it? It's cute. Honestly, it's not bad. Like, this is a good weekend, like chill weekend outfit. I would actually wear this out. Also, I am close to freaking out. Like, I'm trying really hard to keep it together. But my phone, there's something wrong with it because it won't work. It won't let me make any calls. It won't let me open WhatsApp. It won't like delete memory. It's kind of just stuck and it's making me very anxious. I'm gonna move this because I can't see. Oh no. I have lipstick on my cap. Yep. Either way, we have an outfit, we have somewhere to go, so I would still say it's a success. I didn't have high hopes, but it turned out cute. So I'm just wearing my leather pants, this electric blue top. I got this from PacSun, I think, somewhere in New York. But I love this color and I've been trying to like figure out an outfit to wear it with for so long, and I think this works perfectly. I threw on my leather jacket and this is a look. I'm probably just gonna take those sneakers. Do you see them? The white black reflective ones. Oh, I never said it, so I kind of just clubbed both of these looks. I don't know where it's gonna be, somewhere on the screen. So kind of like her depressed look, I took the color palette from there, but I didn't feel like wearing a skirt, so I mixed it with this pant outfit. Yeah, I'm running hella late. I don't have any way to contact my friends, so I will be leaving now, but this is the outfit. Let's go.
What is he honking at? Okay. And then move on.
I am so incredibly stressed today. Ah! I just got done with class. It's been freaking crazy. I had to take a little break, so it's actually Tuesday today. Anyway, I actually have something to do today. It's my best friend's birthday. I should probably do this while talking because I'm also getting late. But we're going for a little picnic today. Honestly, I'm exhausted. Like blue like under my eye, but what if it like completely destroys everything? I'm just got a D, and I'm pretty sure she did orange makeup, but I don't have anything orange. It's okay. Whatever this is will work. See, I put like the slightest amount of glue. This is the outfit. I'm just gonna put some white sneakers on, and I don't know, it's pretty cute. It's actually very similar to the picture, I think, at least. And I'm just sad I couldn't do some fun makeup because I really wanted to experiment, but maybe tomorrow on the coming days. Anyway, I'm getting late. Let's go. Today's gonna be fun. It's Riya's birthday. I'm excited. And they're gonna kill me if I don't leave now, so bye. Happy birthday!
Whole family is so fucking weird.
Super excited about today's outfit. I can't wait to show it to you. I'm gonna do it in a minute, but hi. Before we move on, we actually have a sponsor for today's video. You guys know I've been working with Skillshare for the past few months, and I genuinely love their platform so much, and I'm so happy to be working with them again. So Skillshare is an online learning community for creative and curious people. It's the platform to go to if you want to explore some skills, learn some new things, and make some good use of your time. And speaking of making good use of time, the class I've been taking is called Productivity for Creatives, Turning Ideas into Actions. And this class has been just the positive push that I needed recently. It's taken by Tanner Christensen. We go through how to actually take your ideas and turn them into something, which has been super helpful because, as I've said before on this channel, even with YouTube, I'm the kind of person that has a ton of ideas. I constantly get inspired by a lot of things, but I don't necessarily always take the actions to make them into something, and this class touches on exactly all of that. It's super helpful. Skillshare is a platform that doesn't have any ads, so you can just leave these classes on, listen to them without any interruption, and it's a good time. I really feel like it's such a good use of my time, and I really am learning a lot. So if you want to check it out, the subscription is only $10 a month. I'm gonna have a link in my description below, and you already know the first 1,000 people to click that link will get a free membership trial, so get on it. Happy Thursday. I think we've established this isn't like a everyday weekly vlog thing. I tried, but some days are just for pajamas. Today is actually a mixture because today is pajama meets Alexa meets this video. What I'm trying to say is today is one of the chiller looks, I guess. It's a really cute look. Like I'm in love with this outfit. I can't remember. I need to watch the show again. But I'm pretty sure she wore this during one of the breakup scenes. She had like mascara running down her eyes. Okay, let's switch to here. So, I'm actually just wearing this really cute little skirt set from Meshki. They sent it to me a few months ago, and I'm so in love. I've been waiting for the perfect moment to wear it. Today definitely isn't the perfect moment because I'm literally just sitting in online classes all day, but it fits perfectly with this video. So here's a better view. I freaking love this. Like, screams early 2000s Y2K to me. I'm pretty sure hers was like tucked in and like, you know, just this. This would be cute too, actually. Okay then, we're doing this. I guess Maddie knows best, and I'm pretty sure this is like an exact replica of what she was wearing, except this set is from Meshki, and I'm pretty sure hers was from like this designer label called Aiden Newen something. I'm gonna put it on the screen. It's a really good brand, but it's very expensive, so this is what I got. And I have to say, it's a pretty good alternative. I mean, come on. So she just had her hair up like really messily because I'm the same. But this is so cute. Oh my god. Ah! I'm very sure I've jumped on my bed for every single outfit until now, but it's just so cute. So as I said, today's pretty chill. I'm currently in class. Hi. It's pretty cute. I should make this into an Instagram picture. Hold on. But my class is still 7 p.m. today. So all the best to me. Anyway, I'm just have to talk to the teacher individually today and update her on the work we're doing. So I'm gonna do a few things in the middle as well. I still have to eat lunch, so that's there.
Narrative to you, your pitch has to be towards that. For example, it could be style based, it could be fashion movement based, right? So this is left to your interpretation.
I am so fucking tired. At least I'm on brand. She was a wreck in this outfit too.
Do you think straight guys ever like watch gay porn?
Today is the big day. I'm really excited. It's my best friend's 21st birthday party. So excited that it worked out with this video. Like, actually insane how it worked out. Anyway, I'm gonna do 2 looks today because I'm gonna go over a little bit early during the day today and just like help her decorate and like get shit together, and then we're gonna get ready together. So it's gonna be a whole like fun vlog. A bunch of us are gonna be getting ready. We're all gonna be doing fun Euphoria makeup, and I get to film all of it. I'm actually mind blown with how perfectly all of this worked out. But yeah, I need to like eat and start getting ready so I can go and be on time for once. This is my outfit for today. I feel like my voice is like changing. I don't know why. Anyway, I'm currently eating lunch. I'm kind of disappointed because I haven't had fun with the makeup yet.
Fucking hate this.
I know tonight I'm going to, but just to add it to one more look, I think I'm gonna do the graphic eyeliner thing. Okay, I did it. It's actually really good. I like how this looks. Okay, I'm gonna explain my look. So basically, the set she was wearing, the lining was blue and she did blue eyeliner, but my liner is pink, so I did pink eyeliner and it's freaking cute. It's gonna work out. It's also really comfy, so I'm gonna be able to like put up the decorations and everything. It's gonna be a fun time. I'm excited. Holy shit. Riya. Y'all look so good. Are you excited? It's fine. We're here.
Oh, I just saw your light.
For us to work.
I still have to add yours. Oh, you can also put out the light actually.
What light are you talking about? This is gonna be so cool.
Bro, it's a UV light.
Oh my god.
I mean, that's gonna be off. This is
You bought that?
rented it out.
Oh my god.
So cool.
Oh my
There's
god.
different colors on the sky.
Okay, let's stick that.
Here, yes, scissors.
Hey, what are you trying to do? Can you just do that again?
No.
Can you?
I was putting blended paper on that frame because it does not match.
Yeah,
my
just
frame.
gift wrap your whole house now.
First of all, ew.
Doing it.
Yes, sir. Let's dig in. Wait, what? Okay.
Listen.
Whoa! Time to get rid of this and put on the fun stuff. Why am I vlogging in the washroom?
What is that? Listen, don't scare me. These strands. Front strands, not under.
I'm scared it's gonna get on the door. Blue hair time! Is it on the window?
No, is it on the window?
No, it's not.
From the window.
Bro, oh my god.
What?
I think we should wear the mask. Yeah.
Do it. Open it. Right. This looks good, see?
Sure.
Because I feel like that whole thing now, so I'm getting too impatient. You ever feel like you're too afraid to breathe when someone's doing your makeup?
No.
When someone's close to my face, I like don't breathe.
Breathe all you want, bro. It's me.
Wow. My friend allows me
To breathe.
Bitch, you're my soulmate.
I'm such a great friend, I know. Okay, I'll get the crystals.
Alright, what am I doing?
We left it on. Way too anxious to go out and meet people. I haven't done this in so long. They're all my friends. Okay, the room's empty, I guess. The ghost is clear. Okay.
Riya has all like such cool stuff.
We set it all up. It's so fun. Dude, I'm so excited. Tonight's gonna be so fun. You're staying there, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god, wait,
I'm
show
down
them your
for it.
makeup. It's so sick. Like, I'm in love. Even your outfit.
Yeah.
Everyone's dressed so cute.
Maddie, don't do it.
I took like 2 drinks already.
It's fine. I'm always late. What's new? Even when I'm in the house, I'm late. Okay, here's a close up on the makeup. I like this. It's cute. Okay. I am done. I'm basically done. I just need to finish the spray. Okay, can we have a OOTD? I'm wearing shoes.
Are you done?
How do I look?
You look amazing.
That felt very fake.
No, it looks nice.
Guys, I think.
Okay, let's go. Come on. Okay. I'm excited. I feel like I should take something. Take my phone. I'm taking a video. Wait! I'll get you on camera. Give us like a OOTD. Yes! Woo! I'm gonna take one shoe and then you're gonna take
Yeah, I already have one. Just show my look. Whoa, okay, choose high five.
First time petting a dog.
She touched me.
Unbelievable. This is really difficult. The room is not cute right now. We're gonna excuse that. How much memory do you have?
Putting the lights.
Yeah, like switching on.
How much memory do I have? Like probably 20 GB.
Huh?
20 GB.
I ended up just wearing slides for my shoes because I'm too lazy. I literally need to hold this camera, otherwise it's gonna like fall. No, that's not good. Ow. I'm so wow.
How do you like meeting that dog?
Oh my god.